This is one of the problems that was presented in the Chapter 2 review. There was a question about, so I was going to make a quick little video here to explain it. To begin with, we have a frequency distribution given which represents the number of live births in the United States in 2015 by age of mothers. Okay, so this is the number of live births. So first we're asked to construct a cumulative frequency distribution. And to do that, if you'll notice here, you take the 2500 plus the 229, 715, and that gives you 232, 215. And then to that you add on the next amount, 850, 509, and that gives you 1,082,724. And you continue doing that. Keep on accumulating frequencies until you get to the final number of frequencies, which for the whole table is 3,978,497. Now, to change from cumulative frequency to relative cumulative frequency, what we're going to do is just divide by the total number of frequency. So in our calculator, I went ahead and put the number of births in list 1. So I want to go over to list 2 and say, okay, let's take list 1. So that's second 1, that's list 1. And we're going to divide that by the total number of frequencies, which was 3,978,497. And key in enter, and then we have our relative cumulative frequencies. Now, in the display in the answer over here, let me scroll down. Okay, so this first one up here is given in scientific notation, but that just means this is 6.3 times 10 to the negative 4 power. So we've got to move that decimal point between the 6 and 3, 4 places to the left. So that's where we get 0.0006. And then our next cumulative frequency would be this, 0.0584, 0.2721, and so on. I'm just copying them down from that point on. Now, the question here that's posed is what percent of births were to mothers less than 30 years old? Well, this cumulative relative frequency is like a percentage. It's written as a decimal, and we want it to be mothers less than 30 years old, so we're looking at this class, 25 to 29, so that's the cumulative relative frequency. So we're going to express this answer as a percent. 56.18% would be your answer for that. So down here, 56.18% would be our final answer. I hope this helps.